Campfire cooking, a cozy guide to outdoor cuisine. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the delightful world of campfire cooking. Imagine sitting around a warm fire, under the stars, cooking a delicious meal. That's what campfire cooking is all about. It's not just a way to prepare food, it's an experience, a blend of cooking and enjoying nature. Whether you're a seasoned camper or planning your first outdoor adventure, this video will guide you through the essentials of campfire cooking. Campfire cooking refers to the method of preparing food using an open fire outdoors. This traditional cooking style is a beloved part of camping trips and outdoor gatherings. It involves more than just roasting marshmallows or hot dogs on a stick. From grilling to using Dutch ovens, campfire cooking offers a variety of techniques to create hearty meals. It requires some preparation and safety measures, but the result is a rewarding and tasty experience. Before you start, preparation is key. Choose the right equipment like a portable grill, skewers, or a cast iron pan. Pack essential tools such as tongs, oven mitts, and aluminum foil. Selecting the right ingredients is also crucial. Opt for easy-to-cook and non-perishable items if you're going to be out for a long time. Remember, preparation is the foundation of a successful campfire cooking experience. There are various methods to cook on a campfire. 1. Directly on coals. For foods like vegetables or bread, you can wrap them in aluminum foil and place them directly on the coals. 2. Grilling. Use a grate over the flames to grill meat or vegetables. 3. Skewering. Skewer meat or vegetables and hold them over the flames. 4. Dutch oven cooking. Use a Dutch oven for slow cooking, baking, or even making stews. Each technique gives a unique flavor and texture to your food. Safety is paramount in campfire cooking. Always monitor the fire, keep water or a fire extinguisher nearby, and ensure the fire is completely extinguished after cooking. Respect nature and follow the leave no trace principles. Clean up after yourself and dispose of waste properly. Campfire cooking is more than just a way to prepare food. It's an adventure and an integral part of the outdoor experience. With the right preparation, tools, and techniques, you can turn your campfire meals into unforgettable moments. We hope this video sparks your interest in campfire cooking and leads to many enjoyable meals under the stars. Happy cooking and safe travels!